Hi everyone, I am the developer behind Quick QC. I built this tool because I was tired of cleaning up assets manually. Quick QC isn't a magic button that promises to fix everything blindly. Instead, it's an intelligent pipeline assistant that gives you the right kind of control. Here is how it works. For standard pipeline chores, like renaming assets, clearing invalid characters, or applying transforms, Quick QC handles them automatically with a single click. But for the tricky stuff, like self-intersecting faces or complex topology, we don't believe in black box fixes that might ruin your model. Quick QC locates the issue, focuses your viewport exactly on the problem, and lets you make the final call on how to fix it. And when things do go wrong, there's the rescue engine. If your file is corrupted and crashes on launch, Quick QC can bypass the UI errors and forcefully extract your models and collections into a fresh, safe scene. It's basically an insurance policy for your files. We are committed to developing fast and convenient Blender plugins. Thank you for your attention.